Hey there, do you want to learn all about LEN function in Microsoft Excel and that too with an example? If yes, then this video is absolutely for you. So watch this short video and learn all about this LEN function. In this video, I'm going to explain the easy steps to build the len function in MS Excel, and I will take you through the complete steps in constructing the len function from scratch. And all this has been done using a very simple data which will be very easy to recreate and understand. After watching this video, you can easily get this exercise file downloaded in your system using the link provided in the description of this video. So go ahead, watch this complete video, practice this concept in the exercise file provided to you and become the master of it. Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is session number 128 and we are learning the Excel's text-based functions in this section of Microsoft Excel. Let's take a look at another text-based function today. Now, I'm back inside the example file where we talked about the left, right and mid function, and something caught my eye, and maybe you caught it as well as you were working your way through the left, right and the mid function. So looking at row number 19 within this list, we have got SKU AST2050995, right? But you know what, that value, that's much larger value than the rest of the SKU here in the list. If you notice the counts of these characters in this cell, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? It got 10 characters that make up that SKU. Well, you know what, all the rest of my SKUs here in the list, they have got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 characters. So if you go through and count all of these, I believe that they are all 8 with the exceptions of the row number 19. So only row number 19 SKU character count is 10, else other all the SKU count is 8. So, well, when I am using the same left and right and the mid function that I have been using for all the rest of them, I'm grabbing the incorrect data. I guess for this one, I need the first 3, which represents the supplier. I need the middle 3, that is 205, which represent the part number, and I need 0995 to represent the product code. So there's actually 4 characters that make up the product code this time. Alright, well, how can I do this? Right? I guess I could go to this specific calculation that I created, equals right A19 and 2. I'm only grabbing 2 characters from the right hand side of the cell, and I could change up to 4. Right? So no problem, right? I can do that, and I will be done. Let's just do that, change that from 2 to 4 and hit my enter key, and there we go. All right, I'm happy. Everything looks good, 0995, but that was we manually happening to go through the calculations, actually go through the SKUs first, check for those ones that contains more or less characters, and manually update the formula to reflect the difference. Right? You know, we could do that for a handful of records, but when you get in there with 50 plus or hundreds or thousands of record, and all of a sudden you're spending all day long going through and manually picking apart these SKUs to find the ones that need to be different, and we need to accommodate for this in our formula. I want Excel to do this. Anytime I can get Excel to do the work for me using the lot of inbuilt functions provided by Microsoft. So don't do this manually. Whatever repetitive task you want to do in Excel, try every time that Excel will do that for you. Okay, so let's take a look. There's a function that I'm going to introduce you here called the LEN, LEN, and it's the abbreviation of length. It's going to tell us, its sole purpose of the len function is to tell us that how many characters are in a cell. Okay, take a look. I'm going to just scroll back up here and I'm going to create a new column. So just into the H column, and I have named it as numchars, number of characters, and I'll make that a little wider. Alright, so now I'm going to create this formula, and this is super simple one. I'm inside cell H3 and I'm going to go to formulas, go to the text, and I'll find the one called the len or length. Alright, it wants to know one thing. Okay, so this is why it is so simple, one thing. So it is having only one argument. It wants to know where the text is at. Well, for me, the first row, it's inside of A3. So I'll just select A3 and hit OK. And this returns the number character, len, the length of the character within that cell. In this case, within A3 cell, there is 8 character. But let me copy that down and just I'll double click here to the little autofill box in the corner, and there it is. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Oh, 10. There is 10, row number 19, right? That's the one we are talking about, right? 0, 9, 9 and 5. So that one has 10 characters, with the rest of them have 8. So this is the len function, very simple one. It returns the number of characters from a cell. This could be used for validation. This could be used in scenarios where someone says, hey, we are trying to gather a phone number information from people, or we are trying to gather social security information from people that are some type of value that's set in size. You give me your social security number, your credit card number, and know how many characters are inside of those values. So make sure that it's 10 or 16 or 12 or how many characters. We can quantify that and make sure that we are collecting the correct number of values, right? So there's multiple reasons we can use this, but in this case, in our file, I need to accommodate for this. So here I'm going to give you a homework assignment in this video, and I want you to jump into the comment section of this video and help us out. How can we use this len function in combination with something that we talked about earlier in this course? It's way earlier we talked about it, and one of the first videos in this course. So now we can use this function len and one of the other ones we talked about earlier to help accommodate for differences. So let me give you a hint. So the logic, before you find the solution, the logic would be that if it is 8 character, then we would do it in this way. If it is no more than 8 or less than 8 character, then we will do this in this way. Think about that for a moment, right? How can we accommodate this and get Excel to do it for us? So you're going to take two functions, merge them together, nest them, and get Excel to do it for you. So jump into the comment section, right? Write your comments in there. Let us know how you would do it. And as we start getting some comments, I will throw my own trick to get this done as well. Maybe I can give you a small video for this trick as well. Okay, so but I want you to think about how you can do it, and that's what I wanted to share with you today. The len function, the very simple function with just one argument, and it just count the number of characters in a cell for you. All right, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really like this video and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. So see you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, have a great life, and take very good care of yourself.